All right, so we got a product from Tonor. All right, what's up guys? This is Sunny back with another video. Today real quick I want to share with you guys one of the product I received from a brand called Tonor. So Tonor was nice enough to send one of their studio boom arm, Tonor T20. And this boom arm is supposed to be special, heavy duty. I don't know, I don't really use boom arms. I only have one boom arm here. But today real quick, I'll compare this heavy duty boom arm with my cheap $15 boom arm, and we'll see why you should spend a little bit more and get a heavy duty boom arm like Tonor T20. Alright guys, so let me do a quick unboxing for you guys and show you guys what a Tonor T20 comes with. Let's jump in. Alright, so right after we open the box, we get presented with 2-year warranty from Tonor. So you are covered for 2 years. If you do break this arm, Tonor got you covered. And we also have instruction manual. Now we have here pop filter. Alright, so the pop filter seems pretty good, you know, doesn't feel cheap at all. Yeah, not bad. Okay, what else we have? We have wind muff. So here we have the wind muff right here. So if you want to use pop filter and wind muff together, it's up to you. I like to use just the pop filter or just the wind muff. So oh, so here we have mic clip. Okay, not bad, plastic, but it's okay. And we have some Velcro. So we have 4 Velcros with Tonor branding, so you can actually tie all the cables and stuff. It's pretty cool. And we have a screw adapter. I believe that's a 3.8 to 5.8. Okay. And let's see, where's the base? Oh, I think the base right here. Oh yeah, this base definitely feels heavy. Oh, for sure. Now let me show you guys regular base, the one you get with like a $10 or $15 boom arm. So we have here regular base right here, and look at this one, guys. Okay, so this one is definitely heavy duty. One thing I really like about this base mount, you do have like a little space here, so you can actually hang your headphone right here. So that's really cool. All right, now I want to see the boom arm, because I have my $15 boom arm right here, and I want to compare and see which one is better, right? Oh, come on, I have to open this. All right, I don't want to drop this heavy duty boom arm. Let's pull this. All right, caution, spring loaded. Okay, so you guys can see. So let's compare this boom arm with my $15 boom arm right here. Definitely this one is heavy. So Tonor T20 boom arm can hold microphone weight up to, I believe, 4 pounds. So that's like 1.8 kg. So microphone like Blue Yeti should be nothing for this boom arm, and Blue Yeti is definitely a heavier microphone. Now I don't have Blue Yeti microphone here, but I do have my Blue Snowball, and the only reason I picked up this Blue Snowball to show you guys, because this one seems pretty heavy compared to my other microphones. So real quick, let me install this boom arm. All right guys, you guys can see I just finished installing the Tonor T20 boom arm. So you guys can see the base definitely heavy duty compared to like a regular boom arm base here. The one goes for like $10 to $15, and you guys can see here the $15 boom arm I have here. I picked it up from Amazon. Also this thing is pretty light. Okay, now if we compare to Tonor T20, I definitely have to put some weight. Like this thing is heavy duty, guys. So I have my Blue Snowball microphone installed right now, and this Blue Snowball microphone is pretty heavy, but this thing is Like definitely you can go with like up to like 4-pound microphone. So Blue Yeti should be fine with this microphone stand. And you guys can see the thickness right here, okay, compared to this $15 one, like side to side, you guys can see here. So that's the $15 boom arm right here, okay, and compared to the $30+ Tonor T20 boom arm. Now both of these boom arm does come with 4 spring. Now even if you compare the spring, you guys can see the T20 does come with heavier spring, and also T20 comes with extra arm right here, and with regular the $15 one only have 2 arm. All right guys, let me know what you guys think. Definitely worth it.